Gridline AI helps you unlock financing for your commercial solar projects in 4 simple steps. Step number 1, project origination. These steps takes about 3 minutes of your time and can be done entirely online. Use a project developer. Use your Gridline AI account to log in on our platform. From there, you can navigate to submit a new project and fill out every one of the fields required for the submission. It should take you very little time, especially if you've done this already. What we usually look for is just the type of a project that you're submitting, your contact details, the state where the project is based, the stage of the project, and any information about size of the site or size of the project itself, if you can estimate that. Also, if you have any other comments you want to add, you can add them in the tab any other information at the bottom. Once you're done, you can click submit at the end of the form, and the project is submitted to our platform. It takes about a few seconds for the platform to process it. Step number 2, project submission. During this step, after you receive the link to the project data room, you will be able to access it, review all the key information that have been summarized in the executive report. Here, you can review the key project information, modify some of the parameters like the site lease, make sure that every information complies with what you know about the project before we submit to any of the financing companies. Step number 3, due diligence. During this step, we have completed the project dashboard, which is then submitted to a group of financing companies and funds specialized in providing capital for the projects you submitted. And then the final step, permitting and installation. During this step, we have received financing approval from one of our partner companies, and the project can move to development, interconnection, and then the installation of the solar project. Thank you for listening in, and we look forward to your project submission.